Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys I am going to show you guys Tecno phone security setting guys. One by one, step by step guys I will show you guys. So in this video guys we will talk about guys how to set pattern lock in a Tecno phone. Guys you want to set guys pattern lock in your Tecno phone, so guys you can set. And guys now let's see how to set pattern lock in a Tecno phone. In this video guys I am going to show you friends. So first of all guys open your phone setting to set your pattern lock. Then guys scroll it and guys you can see guys this security setting in your Tecno phone. So guys I will tap here. Then guys you can see guys your screen lock settings. So guys tap here, guys click on your pattern option. So guys you can see this next option. So guys tap here and guys show any pattern, and guys you can see cannot at least four dots. So guys you will have to choose guys four dots. So I will take guys example for guys this L, and next guys same pattern guys again draw and confirm. Then guys your pattern will set, and guys done option, and guys you can see guys you have your pattern lock. So guys draw your pattern to open your phone. So I hope friends you have understood how to set pattern in a Tecno phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching guys. Now we will meet on next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.